In this video, I will show you how to hide repost on TikTok. In this video, I will show you how to hide repost videos on TikTok. First of all, after you open up your phone, as you can see like this one. So let's say if I open this person profile like this, and I tap on this section, as you can see now, if I tap on this, as you can see now, if I open this person profile and I tap on this section, as you can see now, this section. So as you can see now, under this section, as you can see now, here is the videos that this person reposted on his TikTok video. So here is this video. So if you want to hide your own, all you have to do now, go back. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. As you can see now, here is my posted videos on TikTok. Here is it. So if I want to hide them, I don't want someone to see them, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open up the menu, all you have to do now, tap on this settings and privacy. After you open this settings and privacy now, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this second option which says privacy. Under this privacy now, scroll to down. As you can see now, as you can see here, it says interaction. So under this interaction, as you can see now, if you scroll to down, sometimes it gives you an option which says repost under this following button, as you can see now. But this is depend on your country. But as you can see now, some country it gives you a repost button, as you can see now, repost section under this. So it will allow you now to set your repost like private, like this following list. So as you can see now, in my country it doesn't allow me to see this option. TikTok doesn't give me the option on my country. So the only option I can be able to do in my country is to make my account like private. So making your account private, like it does hide everything about your account. So now it depends on your country. If you have the option on your country, you can be able to see the option under your following list. As you can see now, I don't have the option because my country doesn't is not eligible to have the option. That's it, guys. Go and check your own. If it's available, you can be able to see the post option under this following button. You can just tap on it like this one and make it this to only me. Making it only me, no one can be able to see the videos that you reposted on TikTok. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.